नमस्कार दर्शकों, बीसीआर न्यूज में आपका स्वागत है। जी हां दर्शकों, आज दिल्ली में वाइब्रेंट मिस्टर एंड मिस इंडिया के ऑडिशन किए गए। जी हां, ऑडिशन में काफी बच्चों ने बढ़ चढ़कर हिस्सा लिया। उनका उत्साह देखते ही बनता था। सभी बच्चे बहुत ही उत्साहित नजर आ रहे थे। ऑडिशन दे रहे बच्चों के साथ साथ बीसीआर न्यूज ने ऑडिशन देने आए बच्चों से भी बातचीत की। तो आइए जानते हैं उनके विचार कि क्या कहा उन सभी बच्चों ने और ये बच्चे भविष्य में क्या बनना चाहते हैं।
Hello, I'm Rimcha. Well, I realized I waited for so long, and now I realized that it was an opportunity I really wanted, and it is worth waiting for it. And the judges are very polite, and they are very communicative and comfortable. I felt very comfortable with them, and I was a little bit nervous, but it's fine with me, and the interview went really well. Thank you.
First of all, I just want to thank the entire team of Team Vibrant for giving us so much a kind of opportunity, even on behalf of my friends, my participants and all. And we are actually waiting for this type of opportunities so that we are getting so much exposure, we can give so much exposure on everything. So really thankful to Team Vibrant. Give us a lot of opportunities like this for us, for the coming participants, and we always be with you. Thank you very much.
First, I would like to thank Vibrant Mr. and Miss India for conducting such auditions, and it's such a great opportunity to be here.
My name is Anushka, and I would like to thank Vibrant team for conducting such auditions for us, and I'm very grateful. Right now, I'm waiting for my chance to come, and very excited. Thank you.
वाइब्रेंट मिस्टर इंडिया को अपॉर्चुनिटी के लिए थैंक्स करना चाहता हूँ कि उन्होंने इतनी अपॉर्चुनिटी दी है। सेकंड टाइम अपॉर्चुनिटी हुई है। हाँ, मुझे बहुत ज़्यादा नर्वस फील हो रही है।
हेलो एवरीवन, आई एम संजय शर्मा। मैं यहाँ पे मिस्टर इंडिया के लिए ऑडिशन देने आया हूँ।
वी आर हियर फॉर द अपॉर्चुनिटी मिस्टर एंड मिसेस इंडिया।
एक बात हम आपको और बताते हैं कि इस प्रोग्राम को स्पॉन्सर किया है इन सभी कंपनियों ने जिनके लोगो स्क्रीन पर फ्लैश हो रहे हैं। आइए अब आपको मिलवाते हैं ऑडिशन ले रहे जजेस से कि उनका क्या कहना है इस वाइब्रेंट मिस्टर एंड मिस इंडिया के बारे में।
Ma'am, welcome for the audition. And what do you think? What kind of platform it is?
The audition for Miss India and Mr. India Vibrant. Well, in any kind of showbiz, one of the most important thing is the platform. Agar ye platform, if the platform is not well exposed and well advertised, there can be no platform. Considering that, this platform is wonderful because as you can see, it's being done so well in such a disciplined manner. The contestants are so talented and also so well behaved and disciplined and good looking. I think that is the most important part in any kind of Mr. or Miss India pageant.
How are you, Sunny?
Hi, I'm good. How are you?
I'm good. So, any message for the contestants?
Yeah, first I want to congratulate to all the contestants, and the basic mantra of winning this title, Vibrant Mr. and Miss India, is like be honest, do honest things, be focused. That's how we deal like in public. So if you have got the talent, spark, I'm very sure that you're gonna win. That's all. Thank you.
Hi, Harshita. Hello. So, how you're doing? I'm doing great. So, you've seen the contestants?
Of course, and we have vibrant talent here. We have been auditioning throughout the month, and we have been auditioning all over India, and we are getting so many raw, few are trained, we are polished, so many contestants and so many nice and good contestants for the vibrant Mr. and Miss India.
So, what kind of platform it is?
It's a very big platform. As you can see, it's Mr. and Miss India, so it's on national level. So we are looking for nice talented people, hardworking people, and for this platform, of course, we are not going to compromise on small things.
Oh, thank you so much for coming.
Thank you so much.
Hi, I'm Rashmi Sachdeva, winner of Mrs. Delhi NCR 2015. It feels great to be here, and on the other side of the table, I see a lot of good contestants today, and I wish them all the very best. This is a wonderful platform for all the youngsters, and may they all rise and shine. Thank you so much.
My name is Gini Kapoor, and I'm the organizer of Vibrant Concepts. and we have this show here, Vibrant Mr. and Miss India, which is a very big platform for upcoming talent, people who want to build a career into modeling, acting, or Vibrant Mr. and Miss India is a very big platform to youngsters who want to make a career into modeling or acting, and we are hoping to find a lot of fresh talent, people who are capable of learning, and where we can groom them and bring up something beautiful which can be showcased to the world. And we are very happy to have a lot of youngsters coming in today, and they are very talented, and this is Delhi auditions, and I really hope we'll find some very good people who could be groomed. Thank you.
Hi, I'm Gagan Kapoor. I'm also one of the organizers of this show, Vibrant Mr. Miss India, and we've been, journey so far has been like we've been doing auditions in Chandigarh, Dehradun. Now we are in Delhi. Then we'll be going to Mumbai, and we're getting an immense response from a lot of youngsters be coming in, and they're doing really very well. And I think it's a great platform to for the youngsters to show their talent. They eventually they'll get a lot of fame which will be coming with them, and they'll be entering into modeling careers. Will be a lot of boost will be given to their modeling careers, and then eventually we're building this is a platform that will give a lot of fame and name to the winning person out here.
Hi, my name is Dr. Varun Katyal. I'm a consultant dermatologist. Vibrant Mr. and Miss India is a great platform for anyone who's aspiring to make it big in the world of modeling, acting or entertainment. All the contestants who will be shortlisted will undergo a rigorous grooming session under the guidance of a lot of industry experts. I think it will be a great platform for anyone who wants to make it big in the world of entertainment, television, acting or modeling. I wish all the contestants all the very best. Thank you.
BCR न्यूज के लिए अजय शास्त्री के साथ देवेश शर्मा, दिल्ली।